Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Call Me Too Cute. Before you judge me, give me a second to explain on why my hair is looking the way it is looking. So before we get started, I guess you can say this is about to be a part 2 of my 1 to 2 month lock update. I know I stated in the last video that not much is going to change, but I beg to differ. A lot has changed. I'm currently doing my hair right now, and I'm going to explain to you guys what exactly is going on here, so stay tuned. I just want you guys to excuse my overall appearance. My eyebrows look jacked up, my skin just look very oily because, you know, I'm doing my hair. I have the pimple going on, so please just, you know, don't judge my overall appearance. But anywho, so what's going on? Basically, I just washed my hair about 2 hours ago. I washed my hair, and when I washed my hair, this top portion of my hair looked like this. As you can see, my ends are still intact. However, I have all of this looseness going on with my locks. And it was mainly in this portion of my hair, which is the top. I don't know if the loctician, you know, made these parts a little bit bigger, but for some reason, yeah, it's just, I don't know why it wants to do this well, that's okay, but I don't understand why my hair wants to, like, why it's doing this at the top and not anywhere else in the back. But anywho, what I decided to do, and this is my decision, I decided to interlock my hair. And a couple reasons why I'm deciding to interlock my hair is because whenever I was going through my first journey, within the first 6 months, my hair did the same thing. I'm going into 2 months with my hair, and you know, although I still have time, I have patience, but I'm also impatient with my hair. So just based off like my previous experience the first time, my hair was like this for like 6 months, and it was just annoying. Like, it was just really annoying. So what I decided to do, I decided to sit down and talk to someone, or a lot of people, and do a lot of research on interlocking. And I just found a lot of pros, and I also found cons, just like it's cons with retwisting or whatever method you decide to do your hair. Is pros and cons to everything. But with my research, based off what I found, it was just best for my texture of my hair, because my hair is really soft. It doesn't want to hold a retwist. I decided to interlock my hair. Also, I decided to interlock my hair last time and this go around is because I like to work out, and I'm about to pick up, you know, working out more. Got some things going on, but I'm deciding to pick up, you know, working out more. And I know that just with the retwist, my hair is just going to sweat. And that also, sweating also requires me to wash my hair a whole lot more than what I'm doing now. And I just love to wash my hair, and I just love a clean scalp. So that's another reason why I'm decided to interlock. Mainly because when you interlock your hair, you don't really have to worry about your hair like poofing up like mine is doing it and just starting to look like a fro. So, you know, I'm on the go a lot. I want to have a neater look to my locks on an everyday basis. Like, I'm not saying that it had to be super neat and the parts got to be super clean, but I want more of a neater look. And so that's another reason why I'm deciding to interlock my hair. Just like I said previously, I went through this journey already. I kind of know how my hair is, my strengths and my weaknesses with my hair. I already know that the outer part of my hair, excuse me, is people, you know, in my apartment moving out and stuff. So, but anyways, I just know that this part of my hair, like my edges and my temple, I guess you can say, is a little bit thinner. So I know that's a weakness, and I have to be careful with interlocking around my edges. But I also know that my hair can stand the whole, you know, interlocking process. Lastly, I'm trying not to talk so much. I just want to go ahead and get to it and show you what I'm doing. But lastly, what I did in the past and what I'm planning to do again is I'm not going to interlock my hair every single time my hair needs to be retightened or retwisted. What I did in the last journey, I interlocked my hair and then waited about 3 or 4 months. Sometimes I even stretched it out to 5 and 6 months before, and in between that time when I wanted a neater look, I would retwist it or a palm roll. And my hair was fine. Like, I didn't have any weak spots. Like I said, the only weak spots I had was just around my edges, and that's just something I've had all my life, was just thinner edges, I guess you can say. But my hair didn't have any weak spots. So, you know, the whole interlocking and palm rolling, going back and forth, was just best for me. It also allowed my hair to thicken up in between that time before I decided to, you know, interlock again. So I'm about to show you guys how I'm doing it. I am doing the 2-point rotation, which is just going east to west, and then north to south, east to west, north to south. I'm going to show you the process, and yeah. So I have about, I want to say, I have a mirror right here too, guys, but I want to say I have about 8 or 9 left to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm just separating my hair. I have 3 right here on this row, make it 4 right here. Look at that, y'all. Like, that's a lot of loose hair, and it's just very frustrating with my texture of hair that it just does not want to lock. So okay, so I'm using my first of all, you know that you do not want to retwist or retighten, interlock, or whatever you call your method with dry hair. Although I washed my hair earlier, I have been sitting around and doing this for quite a bit, so I need to re-wetten, if that's a word, re-wet my I need to re-wet my hair right here. I'm gonna do that one last. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do my edges, but anywho, so this is, I have 3 right here that I'm about to do, and then I'm taking some Dew Growth oil. I love this oil. I've been using this since I was a kid. My mom used to always keep this on my scalp. I love this oil so much. This is what it looks like, guys. Although my spray bottle has oil in it, I prefer to have more oil on my scalp that's not diluted with water. So I'm just gonna rub that in. What I'm doing is just going to make sure my parts are okay and I don't need to do any popping. So what I'm doing, I'm using my fingers. A lot of people like to use a tool, but I'm just not coordinated with using a tool when I interlock my hair, so I always went with using my fingers. So as you can see, if I put my fingers in between, I have this, you know, secure lock at the bottom, I guess you can say. So I'm opening up a little bit, and since I'm going east to west, I'm going to go from, basically what I'm trying to say is I'm going from right to left and then going down, pull. It's probably better if I don't talk. I hope that you guys are getting this. It's so hard to explain. Okay, so as you can see, I have this much room left, and I'm actually not going to retwist. I'm not going to tighten it all the way up to the root. I'm just going to twist right here and then clip. I'm not going to twist it tight just because I don't want a lot of tension right there in my root. And another thing with interlocking is that your roots are really, well, the person is doing it the right way, it shouldn't be tight, but sometimes you can do too tight. So for me to prevent any tension with my roots, I'm deciding to not actually like interlock all the way down to the bottom of the root. I'm just going to leave some space, which is about 1 inch to 2 inches, and then just twist the root regular as like a palm roll regularly, but not too tight. So I'm going to do the next one. My hair gets more, of course I have more to do, and when I get to like my edges a little bit more, I'm gonna it looks so crazy, I'm going to show you how I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do a lot of the interlocking, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish these the couple that I have, the few that I have up here at the top, and then when I get around the perimeter, I'm gonna come back to you guys. All right. Okay guys, so I am finished with interlocking my hair, and I want to apologize because I honestly was in the groove of me finishing my hair and forgot to turn the camera back on to finish recording me doing my edges. So basically what I did different with my edges is that I did not go nearly as high. I left like a lot of growth than I did with the other hair, because I just do not want this to be too tight, because that was a problem area in the past, and I'm trying to figure out what would be the best method for me. Also, when I first started doing my hair earlier, I decided to combine 2 locks right here, particularly because, like I said, my edges are a little bit thinner, and I knew that once my hair started to hold a lot of weight, it was probably going to thin out a lot more than what it basically was at the moment. It's just that the locks right here was just started too small, and I just know that it wasn't gonna thicken up or anything like that, because like I said, you just have to know your strengths and weaknesses of your hair, and that right there is my weakness. So I didn't do this one right here. I'm actually going to wait on that and combine it with this one later on, just so it can match this one. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys basically what my hair looks like. It's not like super neat. That wasn't the intent. I just wanted to tighten my hair a little bit with the shaft more than the actual root. So let me turn around. It's still flowy, it's still bouncy, it still feels good. I do have the lumps in my hair that comes from interlocking, but based off my experience that I had last time, I didn't really have any problems with that, because I washed my hair a lot, and the more I washed my hair, the less it was lumpy. So I didn't really have that problem. Some people in the video said that was a problem for them, but my hair over time, like I said, I stretched it out about 3 to 4 months before I interlocked again, sometimes 6 to 8 months. So that lumpiness wasn't a problem. It eventually thickened even more. So if you go back and look at some of my old videos from like my first lock journey, you will see that my hair was still thick, and I interlocked in the beginning, just like this. Within like, I want to say within 5 or 6 months, I decided to interlock. So yeah, you look at my hair. As you can see, also, I still have like these straggly ends. It's gonna be there for a while, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna let that be, and it's just gonna, decide to merge on its own. Why can't I talk? Merge on its own. And yeah, so what I'm probably gonna do now, I haven't decided if I'm gonna actually put it in a style. I was thinking about doing 2-strand twists or maybe a braid out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anyone you think that it would be some type of help to. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye.